A place where an enlightened path leads you to a secured future. A place where many skilled hands flawlessly nurture your personality and skills and shape your career to reach heights. A place with a distinguished environment where your search ends for true companionship and you are filled with joy of youth. What makes this place different from the others? Well, this is its unique DNA. The Beehive College, beautifully landscaped with a serene ambience, is an exalted center of learning in the educational capital of India, in Dehradun. The college is ideally located in Selakoi. It is situated at a height of 640 meters above sea level, which ensures beautiful climate almost throughout the year. During the peak summer and winter months, it is delightfully pleasant as it is nestled between the hills and the plains. Students can breathe in a natural, eco-friendly campus devoid of air conditioners or room heaters. Now for almost a decade, Beehive College has been playing a pivotal role in providing quality education to its students and has earned a reputation for its unique teaching methodology, excellent grounding, a strong character-building environment, and other essential ingredients required for the creation of future industrial leaders. We are a highly developed learning center offering a diverse set of programs in almost all the streams, be it life sciences, medical sciences, management, engineering, information technology, and education. Teaching philosophy. The college is academically very rigorous. We believe in the highest level of education and academic honesty. The Beehive teaching philosophy is based on 4 learning principles: small-sized classrooms, a first-class curriculum, student diversity, and exceptional faculty members. Infrastructure. State-of-the-art infrastructure is the hallmark of energy at Beehive College. The campus is set in a serene, peaceful environment equipped with spacious classrooms with excellent communication facilities and teaching aids. Highly experienced and talented professionals bringing a distinct edge to the teaching methodology. A well-stocked library equipped with latest books, magazines, periodicals, journals, CD-ROMs for complementing students' efforts towards proactive learning. Beehive College is a Wi-Fi enabled educational campus, facilitating 24 hours high-speed internet. We endure best computing amenities to our students. The college offers separate hostel facilities for girls and boys. The hostel provides a comfortable environment, hygienic food, and a good atmosphere. The hostels are Wi-Fi enabled, which provides 24/7 internet access to students and faculty members. The transport facility provided by the college covers all corners of the city. Apart from the rigorous academic curriculum, there is a strong emphasis on sports, extracurricular and educational activities, and students are provided with both indoor and outdoor facilities for recreation. Involvement in activities like national conferences, seminars, cultural events and sports keep the college blooming with zest. Our students also participate in an innovative talent and career development program inspired from the corporate best. It aims to help students create and implement an individual development plan scheduled throughout the year with short and medium-term objectives, which are monitored by professional faculties and career counselors. The college placements are ensured that the prospective companies offer an opportunity to the students keeping in mind their actual potential. Throughout the year, students get numerous opportunities to meet professionals from various industry sectors. Beehive students are placed in some of the country's most reputed companies across domains. Come, take a step forward to be a part of the ever-growing fraternity of Beehive, where sky is the limit.
To be a part of Beehive was the most important decision in my life. It had completely molded me and changed me into a great professional.
At Beehive, I learned how efficiently work and team made up of people from different cultural backgrounds, states and work experience.
I can immediately apply what I have learned and help my company achieve success. Beehive is the best investment for my future.
I feel proud to be a part of Beehive.
Beehive College. Well, as being a part of it, all I can say is that it gives me an edge that helps me to stand out from the crowd and not become a part of it.
A temple of learning situated in India's fastest growing second-tier city, Dehradun. A beautiful and a terrific place to spend a part of your life. It is a very special place, a very remarkable city and a very wonderful college.